Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, how are you, bro?
Yeah, fine, fine, bro. Tell me.
I have got a ticket yesterday to create an S3 bucket and to merge up with Athena.
Hmm.
So I have an issue with that. Can you please help me with that?
Okay, just share your screen. Yeah, is this a ticket?
Yes, yes. This is the ticket.
Okay, need S3 account and Athena access to move. Okay, so you need a new S3 bucket and you need an Athena access to that S3 bucket. That's it, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'll show you in my system. Just follow that, okay?
Okay.
Yes, you can stop your screen. I'll share my screen.
Okay.
Okay, first we'll try to create a S3 bucket.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you need an access for this S3 bucket? I mean, the user need the access also.
Yes, yes. They need the access also.
Okay. It's only a demo part, what I'm trying right over here. Please ask the concerned team and try to create your own bucket name. Okay.
Okay.
And if the versioning is needed, just try to enable that. But here I'm not giving anything.
Okay.
Okay, S3 bucket. Okay. So already created a bucket. To try to generate a policy, I'll try to copy this, copy ANR, sorry, copy ARN, just go to your Google browser. Try to write over S3 policy. Okay. Okay. Over here, type click for your IAM policy. Choose S3 over here, Amazon S3.
Okay.
Click over here. Try to paste this ARN and
Hmm.
again try to paste over here. Give a forward
Okay.
slash and star. Okay. When you click on this add statement, you get over here. You see, you got two policies.
Yeah.
Try to generate the policy. Copy this policy. Go to IAM. Over here you see policies, right? Click on policy, create policy.
Okay. Hmm.
Over here you see JSON. Remove that. Add the new policy. Text add tags. Give any policy name. I'll try to write Athena. Athena policy. Description, if you want, you can add.
So we can create any policy name.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Once I type over here, okay, you see here the policy. Okay. Try to create a user. I'll try to create my name as a user. You can give whatever access the concerned person needs. Okay. For now, I'll keep it for AWS console access. Next. Over here you see attached policies. Click over here because we have already created a policy.
Yeah.
Just search for the policy.
Okay.
Next add tags. Review that and create user. Okay. Once this is done, make sure you save this password and also send this. Okay. Send this email.
Okay.
Next, go to Athena. Get started. Over here in settings, search over here. Just select the bucket and just decide to save this. Okay. The other person, whoever is asking you, they'll able to create the tables. Okay. They have connected the S3 bucket, this Athena. Okay.
Okay.
If they want to connect the data, they'll be able to connect to that. Okay. The glue part and everything
Okay.
they'll do it from themselves. Okay. Because we're not sure, right, whether they want in the JSON format or CVS format. Okay.
Yeah.
They'll try to do that. Okay. Anything?
No, no, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.